This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by powering both earbuds off and working on a clean, static-free surface because small electronics are sensitive. Once done, open the charging case and remove the earbud you'll service. Handle it by the stem. Make sure you have a precision screwdriver, plastic pry tool, and the correct replacement battery ready. You do this to avoid extra disassembly later and to control tiny screws. Having parts laid out prevents loss and speeds the repair. You pry the seam carefully with a plastic tool, applying light, even pressure. This preserves clips. Once a gap appears, work around the perimeter and lift the shell halves apart slowly. As soon as you can, identify and disconnect any ribbon cables. Do this first to avoid tearing them. Then locate the battery, noting its polarity and connector type so the new one matches. You do this because correct orientation prevents short circuits and ensures the earbud. You now remove the old battery and install the replacement, matching the orientation and seating the connector firmly. Once connected, test the earbud's power and pairing function before closing. This saves reopening if there's an issue. If it works, reseat shells, reconnect ribbons, and replace screws, tightening lightly to avoid cracking the plastic. Make sure the seals align so the fit is flush. Troubleshooting tip: if it won't power, check the connector seating and test with a multimeter for the battery voltage before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.